put it in a taco shell. Mix a little ground meat with a little shredded beef. Drop acid and visit hell. Cause I gotta get me some ecstasy and a big gas jar of LSD. I gotta smoke that joint that's next to me, and then I'll hit up the taco with extra cheese.
Buy my blood, buy the pound, if I buy my blood, buy the pound. I got a pound, I need a pound of cheese. I got a pound of yay, 50 pills of cheese. Give me so hard, I need an IV drip. Concrete rock, these tools, I love it. Tomatoes and crack, heroin and shit, beans and rice and some sour cream. Tacos and drugs.
Making tacos, smoking drugs.
Gotta marinate the steak in the front of your side, cause I'm up and on the marijuana. Screw that sauce up in my veins, with a smile, hot fire in the veins. Don't try to act like you don't like my speech. Don't try to act like you don't like to eat. I'm searching for some cash cause I'm barely getting by, cause I'm eating fucking tacos and getting hella high.
Tacos and drugs. Tacos and smoking drugs. I'll make you tacos and drugs.
Well, that might be the best song I've ever heard.
Hold on, let's get a close.